spring cleaning can be a real drag. Enter Stain Solver. No more tiring power washing or scrubbing. Whether it's your siding, your deck and stairs that are covered in green grossness, or your favorite beach chairs that you would never dare to sit in again, Stain Solver will save your back. Simply mix eco-friendly, pet-friendly, no-bleach Stain Solver with hot water. Applying with a basic sprayer can mean the end of tiring scrubbing and power washing. We mixed hot water with Stain Solver using the same sprayer to apply the mixture. Waited about 30 minutes to let Stain Solver do its work. Then used a garden hose to rinse everything down. Get to less work and more enjoying this spring. Solve your stain, love your stuff, and your free time.